Content. When it is said that the content is more important than the packaging, we agree. That the exterior doesn't matter, but what's inside, we agree. And we agree because our job is to make your brand stand out by giving your product an astounding appearance. Whether for the cosmetic, pharmaceutical, or food industry, at IEMCO, our mission is to satisfy our customers' needs in a timely manner and with the highest quality. IEMCO, founded in 1989, is a pioneer and leader in Mexico for producing mainly medium to wide mouth PET plastic jars and closures. We anticipated the shift from glass to plastic as a favored material due to multiple key factors, including safety, handling, cost savings, recyclability, and logistics. Safety comes first. To provide greater reliability and food safety to our customers in Mexico, USA, Canada, Caribbean, and South America, we have these certifications.
IEMCO se ha caracterizado teniendo 100% en CCL y no teniendo incidentes críticos de calidad en nuestras líneas.
80% of our customers belong to the food industry, which is why our manufacturing process meets rigorous food safety standards and promises just-in-time deliveries.
Tenemos tiempos de entrega prácticamente just in time o de manera inmediata. Las entregas son de un día tras otro. Llevamos una programación semanal con las 3 plantas que manejamos actualmente, que somos nosotros aquí en Montemorelos. Tenemos una planta en Linares y una planta en Puebla.
We are renowned as a reliable supplier by our customers who have the strictest global quality standards. Our vision is to continue with the commitment of being socially responsible and to maintain our status as a reliable and prestigious high-quality manufacturer of plastic injection jars and closures. We create integral packaging solutions, starting with the design and creation of a prototype using 3D printing technology, complete technical support throughout the process, all the way to optimizing our deliveries in the most efficient way. As part of our philosophy, we seek to maintain a close, sincere, and open communication with our employees, customers, suppliers, and partners of the company, with the goal of creating and upholding long-term professional relationships. In addition, we strive to use the best and most advanced technology for the products we manufacture. We are convinced that by doing so, we will meet and exceed our customers' and markets' needs. We utilize high-volume automatic lines for placing induction seal liners into the closures, seeking to reduce additional labor and time for our customers. We use the highest quality raw material in the market to produce our jars and closures to ensure they are FDA approved, BPA-free, and 100% recyclable. Our processes and production equipment are environment-friendly, with low energy consumption and water-saving technology. We know the demand, precision, and constant changes required by today's needs, so we focus on strategic innovation and continual improvement of our processes to meet these challenges. IEMCO, creating packaging solutions.